So hello everyone, welcome to the SolidWorks for Beginner series. Today we will be making a gear, you can see. So let's go. First part and then sketch. We will choose the plane. We will choose the front plane. Now we will make a center line for the reference line, as you all know. So let's go. And this is going to be the axis of our gear. So let's make these reference lines so that we can make the gear. So let's go. We will give it dimensioning to them, and this is going to be our radius of the gear. So maximum radius of the gear. So let's make it to 40 mm and give the width to be around 10 mm. Let's go. So it has been done. Now we will be aligning them. So it is going to be 5. So let's go. After this, what we will be doing is that we will be making the internal radius or the radius of the shaft, you can say. So it is going to be about 6 mm. Let's go. Let's make it to 6 mm. Yeah. 6 mm it is. Let's go. Now we will be making this sketch using lines. 1, 2. And to save materials, we will be like cutting a bit of giving a 2 mm depth here. So let's go. Similarly on the other side of this, and done. Now we will be defining it. So let's define it. Sketch, smart dimensioning, and let's define it. 2 mm. Similarly on the other side, it's going to be 2 mm. It's going to be around 10. 8. Okay, 8. Let's go with it. Okay, similarly on this side, 10 it is. It is already 10, so we will not need to change it. So let's do. So now what we'll be doing is that we'll go to features and then revolute base both. So what it does is that it revolute this design, revolve this drawing sketch around this axis. So as you can see, this is ready. So now we will be making the gear profile. Go to here, choose the outer surface and go to sketch. Let's make circles. Like there are going to be 6 circles. So let's do it fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, and one more. We need 6. Now let's go. We will be defining it and go to sketch and then smart dimensioning. It is the radius is going to be about 1 mm more than our original radius. So this we will select 1. Then this is going to be concentric. So what we will be doing that selecting these two and making them concentric. Now for this, it is going to be about 1. Okay, let's make it to 2 mm. Then it is going to be the third circle. The fourth circle is going to be about let's take it to 2.5 or 3.5. Let's what we can do. Let's do it 3.5. Now again. So let's define it also. 1.5. And then the last circle, that is going to be about 1. Okay, done. Now what we will be doing is that making the center line for the as the reference line, and now we will be sketching few more circles here. So let's go. The first circle is going to be on the third and to the last. Okay, now there is going to be one line here, and then on the opposite side also there is going to be one line like this. So let's make this line. Select the line, select the corner point. So we will not be selecting this corner point, we will be selecting like this. Select. So we just need to be out here with few degree away from this yellow line. Yellow line is just connecting to like our center of this circle of our disk. So let's make it on the opposite side also similarly, a bit away from the yellow line. Okay, now let's define it also. Sketch, smart dimensioning, and just define it. So it is going to be about 15 degree, and similarly on the other side also we will be making it to the 15 degree. Done. Now we will be sketching more circles here. So let's make it. And one more on the other side. Okay, done. Sketch, and then we're just going to go for smart dimensioning. So let's go. What we will be doing is that we will meeting these two circle and this point like a tangent. So similarly on the other side of coincident flow. Okay, we made them constant, and now we will use the trim. We will be like this is going to be our path. So we will trim all the extra parts from here to get our profile. Let's do it. We just be removing all these parts here, extra materials, and getting our profile. Let's do it fast. You can also check out our other videos in this series of SolidWorks for beginners, also known as SolidWorks for beginner series. So let's go remove all the extra parts. Okay, I did a mistake, I think so. Okay, there must be one. Okay. Again, we need to select the trim tool and just cut it out. Done. We will remove all the extra parts here. We will continue removing all the extra parts here, and let's go. Let's remove all of them. Continue, and okay, done. Remove this, remove this, remove this, and remove this. Done. Okay, it has been done. So what we will be doing is that it has turned blue. It means that they are not defined properly. So we need to define them. So let's define them. Black means they are defined, and blue means they are not defined. So let's do it. Let's define them first. Let's define them. Everything is going to be there. It is just that we need to define them so that accidentally we do not move them away or something like that. We do not change them, change their positions and all. So it would be a blunder to do. So let's define them all first. As it has been done, now we'll go to extrude and through all. Done. And you can see our first gear is ready. Sorry, first profile. We're making it circular pattern and selecting the middle part as it will be our center. So reduce it to about 17 or 18. done. Let's do it now. So yeah, and yeah, I think our gear is ready. So thank you everyone. And okay, we will be adding one more thing, that is key. What key does is that it will hold our gear into the shaft properly, and it can move with the shaft. It will making the contact so that it do not slip on the shaft. So let's do it. We'll make a key here. Select the center rectangle and then just do it really fast. Let's do it now. It is going to be first week 3 and then okay, select it. Okay, 6. Okay, done. What we will be doing is that we will be extruding it. Okay, extrude cut through all hole. Let's do it now. Okay, just few more seconds and through all done. Okay, thank you guys. Bye.